All right, so this is problem number 3. I'm just going to do this real quick from today's homework. So it says a moving object has a mass of 11 grams and then a linear momentum of 24 kilograms meters per second. What is the kinetic energy? So the first thing I need to do is list what they've given me, right? So I'm going to draw a little picture. Let's just pretend that this is like an object and it has a mass of 11 kilograms and that it has a momentum of a positive 24 kilogram meters per second. So this is my momentum, and then this is obviously the mass. And then the next thing they want is the kinetic energy. Well, you may not remember, but we did cover this, is that the kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 times the mass of the object times the velocity squared. Well, I know the mass, right? I know the mass, but what I don't know is the velocity. So this is where the momentum comes in. So remember that momentum is a calculation of the mass times the velocity. Well, I know that my momentum is equal to 24. I also know that my mass is 11, and then my velocity I don't know. But if I take and divide both sides by 11, I'll find out what my velocity is. So I'm just going to open up another tab here and go in Desmos, and I'm going to take 24 and divide it by 11. And then of course this is very slow. I might have to get my handheld calculator for this one. So 24 divided by 11, oh, let's see how this works. So I say 24 divided by 11. So I get 2.18 repeating. So we'll just round that to about 2.18. So my velocity then is about 2.18 meters per second. So then to find the kinetic energy, remember that the kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 times the mass times the velocity squared. So I'm going to do the same thing in Desmos. I'm going to say 0.5 times the mass, which is 11. Oh. Okay, let's try this again. 0.5 times the mass, which is 11, times 2.18 squared. And so it's about 26.14 if I were to round to 2 decimal places. So this is equal to 26 point, what did I say it was? 26.14. And remember, what's the unit for energy, you guys? Yeah, joules. And then, so if I go in here, let me look and see. Is that one of the options? They might have rounded it to 26. Yeah, 26, because of significant figures. So, yep, that's it. That's all you got to do.